the BBQ Rando Rant because it is time to do another safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro!
Hello!
Sergeant Pyro, what giant, long, heavy fountain are you holding tonight?
We got Lighthouse from Winda Fireworks.
Winda Fireworks. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, Sergeant Pyro used to call Winda Fireworks
The bear.
the bear fireworks. Yeah, that's right. He's got his own secret military code words. Now, I gotta tell everybody, this is a fountain BBQ Rando has been wanting to do for the longest time. We finally got it. So, Sergeant Pyro, can we give it a little twist? Let's turn it around.
There's some performance here.
There we go. Okay, and by the way, we got a specialist who's going to zoom in. Everybody,
Hey, Ziggy!
say hello to Ziggy! There we go. All right, Ziggy. Whoop, you're almost... Thanks, Ziggy. I can see it now. Thank you, sir. All right. Beautiful beacon towers with assorted effects of silver and gold, silk chrysanthemum, and gold and laser crackles. The lighthouse shines bright. So, 60 seconds. It says 13 feet. We got an array of colors. It's like almost 2 feet to begin with. So, and then see all those little dots? Those dots are going to light up. And that's going to light up all around it. So that's really, really, really cool. All right, now Sergeant Pyro, if you're in Arizona and you want to pick this up, where can our viewers and subscribers, where can they get it?
60 spots from Santan Fireworks.
Santan Fireworks, SantanFireworks.com, the #1 retailer in the southwest state of Arizona. 60 locations in Arizona, 2 locations in New Mexico. Go to Santan Fireworks, SantanFireworks.com. Click on the locations tab. They have the biggest selection, the best quality, and the best prices anywhere. Don't go to the other guy. Turn around and drive over across the highway to Santan Fireworks. All right. I'll tell you, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
I got this love for fireworks and lighthouses, so this is going to be a merge I've never done before. Now, are we ready to head to the street pad?
Yes, sir.
Let's go! I sound like Scooby-Doo. Yeah! We made it to the street pad with special lighting effects from Sergeant Pyro. All right, Ziggy, step back. Let's go lighthouse from Winda Fireworks.
The bear.
The bear fireworks. Yeah, I know, right? That thing kicked right off. That's bright.
That's up.
Oh. That was
more than 13 feet.
You know what? That was a lot higher than 13 feet. Yeah. Whoa! Here we go. Wait, is it gonna?
I was thinking so, but...
Wait. No, it wasn't done. Whoa! Holy moly! Whoa!
20 feet high and 30 feet wide.
Wait, no, it's not done. He's still going. I can see the fizzies.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
That is so cool.
That is so cool.
It's like a tiki torch.
Yeah.
It's blowing out little smoke rings on the side.
It sure is. It's a code. Morse code. Dead. BBQ! There's no boats. Wow!